it's Morgan. Today I am here with Gavin Thomas. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing and playing some games. As you probably know by now, we have a brand new collection with Disney we're super excited about, and we're gonna check it out.
There's so many of them. Starting up we got is the golden Mickey Mouse. Golden Mickey Mouse. And then we have the red one.
So we have Mickey and we have Minnie Mouse.
Yeah.
Look at the palms. Those are like your own Mickey Mouse ears.
Oh gosh. Close your eyes and see which one you pick, and we'll wear it for the rest of the day.
All right, you mix them up and I'll pick one. I got the classic beanie. All right, here, I'll show you how you put the beanie like this and you tuck it in the back. Okay, keep your eyes closed. All right, now you choose. Now we're matching. So that's the black speckled.
Yes.
You know what that means? It's like black and white mixed, and then this is the full black beanie. These are super top secret questions.
Oh, come on.
Who is your favorite Disney character?
Mickey.
Mickey?
Yeah.
If you were stuck on an island, which Disney character would you want there to be there with you?
I think Mickey.
Why would you want Mickey on an island with you?
Oh, because he's the nicest guy.
Because he's a nice guy. Yeah, he's a really nice guy. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye bye, chin chin chin.
See you guys next time.
Peace out. Peace out.
Peace out.